fly just like birds. Imagine flapping your arms and soaring above cities, mountains, and oceans. Would it be fun or totally chaotic? Today, we're diving into a wild physics adventure to find out. Birds can fly because their bodies are light and their wings are built for lift. But humans? We're way too heavy and our arms are too small to generate enough lift. Even if we tried really hard, our muscles just aren't designed for flying. That's where physics comes in, especially a force called lift. Lift is the force that pushes objects upward against gravity. Birds have wings shaped like airfoils. They push air down and the air pushes them up. If humans had wings, they would need to be huge, like airplane wings. Let's imagine it actually worked. You wake up, stretch your wings, and take off into the sky. You could fly to school in seconds, race clouds, and visit mountains for lunch. But there would also be challenges. Strong winds, landing safely, and avoiding buildings would be tricky. Physics would become your everyday superpower. Even with wings, humans would need incredible energy, way more than our bodies can produce. That's why nature gave us something else instead. Our amazing brains. Instead of flying, we built airplanes, drones, and rockets. So, humans flying like birds is a fun idea, but physics says it's not so simple. Still, imagining it helps us understand how amazing flight really is. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep wondering, because science is full of surprises.